Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I would like to talk to you about two websites which I use to create a lot of my designs. So these websites offer various designs and graphics that you can use to create unique designs for print-on-demand. So they have a huge database of various designs that you can use either as background for other designs, so you can put pictures or graphics in front of them, or you can use them as standalone graphics and just add a text or make it your own in another way. So one website is All Sunsets, and I talked about All Sunsets in a previous video. I really like them. I had a lot of my designs which I downloaded from this website. So I didn't download the design, I downloaded the graphic and then made it my own by adding text or embedding it into another design. But a lot of these graphics have really helped me a lot to make sales. So most of the sales that I make actually include a graphic or a PNG file from All Sunsets. That's why I recommend this website, and it is really good. And the other reason why I make a video on it, because I did make a video on this website before, but the main reason why I do it today is if you scroll down here, you will see this. So actually at the moment you pay $19.99 to get access for one entire year. Yeah, $19.99, and that's dollars, that's US dollars, and you get, I don't know how many there are, but I'll take you through it in a minute. There's so many good designs and graphics that you can use to create your own designs. And for $19.99, honestly, you only need to sell maybe 4 t-shirts and then it's paid for itself already. So this is an absolute great price. And as you can see here, they will increase the price in 8 days. And to be honest, I don't know what I paid for it. I paid for my subscription in December. I don't know if I paid the 47 or the $19.99. I cannot remember, honestly. And I also don't know if $19.99 is actually their regular price and they do a price increase in 8 days, or if 47 is their regular price and they only have it reduced at the moment. I don't know. But $19.99 is an outstanding price for this, and I'll take you through this in a minute. You get 1 year access with this, and the best is that, well, it is a subscription. You pay for 1 year, but if you decide to unsubscribe, you will still be able to use their graphics that you downloaded within that year. So this is really good, because a lot of the other websites, for example, Vexels, if you download something from Vexels and you have unsubscribed, you actually need to take it down. But with All Sunsets, you can use it, and this is the beautiful thing. You can continue to use it, and I'll show you their where is it? Terms and conditions are down here. So we click on it here. And this website is particularly good for print on demand, and it's specifically made or created for print on demand. So you can definitely use it. It's all for commercial use, as you can see here. And they even say for print on demand use MBA, KDP, Zazzle, Redbubble, TeePublic. And this is, by the way, their other website, All American Graphics, which I'll show you in a minute as well. So as you can see here, a single one-time payment is for 1 year access. However, I can continue to use the graphics I downloaded during my access period after my 1 year has expired. So I definitely recommend you'll take a look at this website. The only thing here is what I cannot do. I agree to never resell any of these Sunsets as a package or a single purchase on any other website. So you're not allowed to sell the PNG files, and you only get PNG files. So you do not get vector files. So this is important to know. But honestly, for $19.99, this is such a good price. And even if I create most of my designs on Vexels or Canva, most of the time I upload a design or a graphic that I download from All Sunset into Vexels and Canva, and I use Canva and Vexels to create the final design. So most of them, even though Canva and Vexels have very good graphics themselves, and in particular Vexels, I really like the ones from All Sunsets. So because you have no way actually to know how the graphics look if you haven't purchased. I'll just take you through quickly. So if you scroll down here, these are all the graphics. So you've got 72 pages of graphics. 72 pages, and on each page you've got 3, 6, 9. So take 9 by 72, and then you get the number. And the good thing is they add new sunset designs every day. Yeah, so this one here with the surfer and this yoga pose lady here, this was published today. But yeah, these are, you can get an idea. And the good thing is, whenever, for example, we have St. Patrick's Day coming, so the ones that they always publish designs which work, which if there's a trend or if there's anything happening, they normally create designs particularly for this occasion. So before Christmas, you will see some Christmas designs. I'm sure in the next few weeks they'll put some Easter designs out there, and this is really good. And I actually haven't seen a lot of these on the print-on-demand website, so it's not like print-on-demand websites are now flooded with sunset designs, but it's actually a fact that a lot of the designs, and if you check your research tools, for example, Flying Research, and you check the very good BSR ranks on Amazon, a lot of them have actually a sunset or vintage design touch in them, or a background, a sunset design background. So this just sells particularly well, and it was really good idea of these guys actually to publish this and to make these designs available. So it's just, I'll take you through here just so you can get an idea and you can make your own judgment if you want to have a look at it. But honestly, if you look at this, I mean, these designs are good or even better than, for example, some of the ones that you find on Placeit or Canva, for example. And yeah, as I said, you can use them as background, like these. They just give you these sunsets here that you can use as background, and then you can put a silhouette in front of them. Or you just download the thing here like this with a weightlifter. So, and not only, the good thing is they always give you the blank, like this one, the blank retro vintage backgrounds as well. And not just with a silhouette in front of them. They normally give you the blank one as well. So you can that's a good way to scale it. So you can take it, and instead of putting a golfer in front of it, you can put, a football player in front of it or whatever. So yeah, this is all sunsets. I definitely recommend you consider it, because as I said, in 8 days they increased their price, and honestly, for $19.99, this is such a good price. And you can probably calculate what you pay per graphic, and you don't need, don't forget that if they publish at least one every day, for the next 365 days, and you subscribe, you'll at least have 365 additional graphics as well within your 1 year period, which you can then use after your subscription has ended as well. So it is really a good package. Now, the other one that I want to talk about is All American Graphics, because these guys have founded this second website, and they actually, if you sell on Amazon.com, for example, merch, or Spreadshirt.com, or even on Redbubble, these patriotic designs apparently sell very well as well. And especially if there's something like an election or any other pretty much special day in the USA, and they sell very good as well. And even though I'm located in the United Kingdom, I have now subscribed to this as well, because the price is $19.99 as well, and it gives me 1 year access. And it's the same terms and conditions, and I can use their graphics going forward, even if I decide not to extend my subscription after that year. And again, it's for commercial use. It's particularly for print on demand. And honestly, I've only today purchased this membership, and I've actually only come to page 2. So I just wanted to, while we're here together doing it, I'll actually take a look at these for the very first time. So I haven't really seen this before, only page 1. And, you know, for $19.99, again, you know, it's got a very similar vibe or touch around them like the All Sunsets designs. But the difference is that they've got the American flag as background. And honestly, this is, again, so good. This will allow you to, and from this, you know, you can get very good ideas as well, because pretty much you can just download it, like this one here, and create a space shuttle design, for example. So this is a good way for you to get ideas as well, because you can just use them as they are. This was about the election, St. Patrick's Day as well. And then apparently these Bigfoot designs are very popular at the moment. So yeah, honestly, 47 pages at the moment, and they seem to add something every day as well. So honestly, yeah, I'll put the links into the description, and you know, if you're interested, then just have a look. I just felt I needed to do this video today because, you know, in 8 days they will increase their price, and I believe, honestly, for $19.99, I mean, this is such a good price, and it will allow you to create good designs quickly. So yeah, so I guess that's it. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was useful, and I'd be really happy if you really consider doing this and having a look at it, because it works for me. Many of these designs have sold, not these ones yet, because I only subscribed today, but the All Sunsets ones. This has really worked for me very well, especially on Spreadshirt and merch by Amazon. So yeah, if you liked the video, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, then please subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.